We have a 2021 Lexus RX350 in wonderful shape. Beige champagne exterior color. One owner vehicle. Rear view camera. Power liftgate. We have all weather floor mats, carpet mats. One minor cosmetic. Interiors in wonderful shape. Rear seats. Beautiful cream color interior. Memory seats. Vehicle has 31,281 miles. Automatic headlights, heated steering wheel, camera view 360, lane keeping, collision warning, navigation, rear view camera, full surround camera, heated and cooled seats for front passenger and driver. Sunroof. Front interior. Call Phillips Motor Company, ask for Nicole, and schedule your test drive.